Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Foodie Grocery Haul. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and more. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. This Foodie Grocery Haul is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and myself. Okay, so I'm just going to touch on a few of the things that I've purchased here. And I have two grocery stores that I have frequented this week. And they would be Costco and Kroger. Okay, so let me just start off with Costco. So I got these Kirkland praline pecans. These are really good. I want to say these were $13.99 for 40 ounces. It's 2.5 pounds. So, we've eaten a few. They really are good. They are really super good. So they would be nice if you're making a dessert and you want to top it with some pecans. These were, they're really good. Then, just scrolling over real quick, I went back and got my favorite coffee. So I know some people like Starbucks, IHOP, Dunkin' Donuts. My favorite is Folgers. Then this time, you know how they sample different things at the grocery store? They sampled these plant protein superfood drinks. Okay, so I thought I would try these. It's creamy chocolate. I did try, I've had two now so far. My son has had one. They're 18 in here, of course. There's no artificial sweeteners. You get all the 50 superfoods that you need. And so let me just let you see what they look like. If I can get one out. And this is the size of each one. They're 11 fluid ounces. So they really are good. So I just kind of bring you in for a closer look. And then taking you over to the nutrition facts. So you can see all of what's in it. And these are good. I bought them the day before yesterday. And these are good until November. So like I said, I tried them. They were really chocolatey. And so I drank one in the morning, and that actually kept me full, until about 1:30, something like that. So I like that. So, if you don't want to eat breakfast, or if you want to eat breakfast and skip an edible lunch, you can have this shake for lunch. So that's what I like about them. So that's I guess I would say I would recommend this. And I want to say these were $22.99. And it's 18 of them in here. Then, so look, check this out, guys. I'm going from something healthy to something not so healthy. So they were also sampling these instant noodles, which I think I featured on I'm going to feature this Sunday coming up as part of Quick and Easy Meals. I made some pork chops and I had these noodles on the side. So these noodles contain a seasoning powder, seasoning oil, sweet and sour or sweet soy sauce, chili sauce, and fried shallot. Now, they don't take long to make. They're 3 minutes, so it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I will tell you this, I don't think, for sure, they're not all that good for you, straight up. But I mean, all things in moderation. So, because they're quick to fix, and sometimes if I want to fix something, in a hurry, particularly in a weekday. So in each of these packets inside, there are like 4 of these in here. So let's see if they say there's 43 ounce packs. Okay. So kind of let you see what's going on here with the, I don't know if you can see it or not. But the problem is with this, and this is why I don't eat too many of them, they have a lot of sodium in them. I want to say they have like 480 grams of sodium in them. So, you know, I bought them. I don't know. I guess because I tried them in the store and I thought they were really good. And I said, well, if you're doing something quick, you want to fix something quick in a weekday, this might do the trick. But as long as you don't eat too many of them, you know, how can I say that? But that's what I said. Anyway, that's these Indomie instant noodles, okay? And these are good until they say use before August the 6th, 2025. Now, I can tell you right off the break, most likely some of these will go in the trash because I doubt very seriously if we would eat all of those before, you know, August the 6th. Now, I can tell you this will probably be a one and done for me. And I think it's because you get caught up in the moment when you're walking through Costco and you're like, oh, that's good. So like I said, we tried one. I don't know if we'll make all of these before August, but nonetheless, one and done. Okay, so let's move over to Kroger. So I got these. I love these with sandwiches. Don't know if you've ever tried them. I recommend these. These are really good. With sandwiches, of course. I like them. Then I got some Grand's biscuits because I'm going to make something with these for a quick and easy meal. Everybody most likely has tried or has had these butterball turkey burgers. That's what we're having tonight. It's Friday, quick and easy. Okay, then I got some vitamins because you guys know that last week I had a cold. So my husband went out and he got us some emergency, daily immune support liquid and gummies. So we have that. And then my family likes these Uncrustables. Now, I hate these. I don't know who made these. I hate them. But soon as these come in the house, they just rip right into them. They take them for lunch. They take them for snacks. I don't like them. You guys might like them, but I don't. Okay, now let me tell you something about this. So I don't know if y'all saw this, if I featured this on a previous foodie grocery haul, but I wanted to share this with you. Miss Patty has buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. Just add water. Now, I love Miss Patty, but Miss Patty gonna be mad when I say this. Miss Patty, you ain't been around as long as Aunt Jemima. I like Aunt Jemima, Miss Patty. But I mean, I bought it because I want to support her. Now, would I buy this again? Yes. My favorite, Aunt Jemima, hands down. Moving on. You know how in the springtime and in the summertime, if you bring fruit in the house, you get those little annoying gnats? So we got these Zevo refills. There it is on the wall over there. So we got these refills and they actually work really, really well. So, especially for like bananas, when you bring bananas in, you have to eat them quickly, when the weather starts getting warm and you might have your door open, coming in and out, bringing groceries or just whatever. Those little gnats seem to, I don't know where they come from, y'all. Where they come from? They get on my nerves though. But I got something for y'all gnats. I got this Zevo, and this Zevo works well. Okay, so look guys, that's my foodie grocery haul. I hope that I've shared something with you that you might want to try, or maybe you might say, okay, no, I'm not gonna get that. That would be this. Okay, guys, you all have a blessed day. Today is Friday. Sunday will be Palm Sunday. So I hope that you all have a blessed Palm Sunday. Jesus is the reason for this season. Be blessed, and until the next one, bye-bye.